I, Dr. Reena Rajput, counseling psychologist, Disha Guidance and Counseling Clinic, Bhopal. Today I would like to talk on the topic of early childhood, the most important period in life, which is also called as golden period of life. Why golden period? Because this is the period where whatever the things which you want a child should learn are being taught, and the child learns it very smoothly, very comfortably. May it be languages, may it be food habits, may it be the sanskar which give at home, everything becomes very comfortable for them. So when we talk about early childhood, right from 2 years to 6 years is being termed as the golden period of life, and this is also a period where the parents call it a problematic period. Why problematic? Because they are full of energy. This is the age when the kids are full of energy, and then they climb this way, that way, and they want that the things should be done the way they wanted, and there the parents get exhausted and feel that it's a problematic age. It's also an imitative age, because there the children imitate not only the teacher, because there they start going to their nursery preparatory schools, and it's not a modeling age for the teacher they model it, they even model their parents. The little ones, if the girl is there, she'll make it a point to use the dupatta of mama and try to model like a teacher. Or the little boy always make it a point to get the shaver of papa and try it once. So they try to model it, and even they try to model the teacher, the way she speaks, how she uses the blackboard, how even the pronunciations are being caught by the little ones. So it's really an age of creativity. You just give them anything and they'll come out with beautiful things. You just give them a small amount of wheat flour and see how beautifully they come up with their own creation. And that's really very excellent. If they just motivate them, it's not only that it's their creativity which is coming out, but then yes, that is a part of their emotional development also which takes place. So just giving a flower, I know mothers feel that the child is going to make all mess out of it, it will be very dirty around, but then I would request the parents not to stop all these things, because their creativity is not only with the wheat flour which is going to help them out to develop emotionally, but then they even scribble and make their walls very colorful, and for which again the parents scold them that not to do it again. My dear parents, this can be done, the whitewash can be done again, but then this innovative age cannot be brought back. The experiences which they are going to do it, those colors which they are using it, that depicts so many things about the child, his thought process, his growing up components. The selection of the color plays a very important role. So it's a learning thing. In fact, I would suggest that you should click up all these things and treasure it. In your old age, these will be the wonderful memories which you are going to relish it. So this is of course with the creativity of the child, and it is also an age, we call it the chatterbox age. Lot of things to talk about on all the topics. They can talk and share, and non-stop they can talk. So it's a thing of their creativity, their thought processes, their vocabulary, everything gets increased, enhanced in this chatterbox age also. The educators call it as the age, it's a preschool age where they are going to learn so many things. They basically learn how to sit, how to start writing. That is the reason in schools they are starting with coloring, not drawing. So they do lot of coloring that helps them out to be more focused, to have a wonderful eye-hand coordination. So this is the first step where they can go further and do the writing part of it. And of course the writing is the one which helps them out to make further about their own grooming of the personality, about writing makes more beautiful. But then this scribbling is, this coloring part is very important. They learn small words, they know how to make the formation of the alphabets. All these things are being learned at this stage. That is the reason, because the formal schooling starts from 6 years of the age. So till that time they learn all creative things, and psychologists call it as an exploratory age, because they want to explore the surroundings first. That is the reason all the kids are being kept close by the parents. Even the preparatory school, it is closed, the main gates are all closed, because they just want to explore around. They just want to try to find it out what new things are there. And that is the reason it is called an exploratory age. Will help them out to grow mentally, to get more information registered, to learn more languages, as it is called as the golden period of time. So my dear parents, treasure this particular period, let them enjoy their childhood, help them to grow in the right perspective, as well as support them to explore more their creativity, their modeling, and they will grow like wonderful citizens of the world. Thank you. Thanks a lot.